Today we're going to be making something I just made up this afternoon, and I'm calling it Frontier Coffee. So first, obviously, we'll need coffee. Fresh ground coffee beans are the best way to go because that's the most delightful and delicious. Grind, grind, grind. I'm using donut shop flavored coffee because that stuff is delicious. If you can't find that, get something else. Finish up making the coffee here. To do it in a French press, it's just better that way, let's get real. Alright, to prepare this, you'll want a coffee mug of whatever size, I guess. 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. The reason I'm calling this Frontier Coffee is because I'm using Bullet Bourbon, which is labeled and branded as Frontier Whiskey. So we're going to use 2 of the tall part of the jigger of these per drink. And all you gotta do at this point is add some coffee to top her off, but leave some room for cream because that's coming up next. Last, we use half and half, just a dash of half and half. Smells good. Alright, Frontier Coffee.
Oh, it's very good.
It's
very
super
good.
nice. Oh, that's gonna be a good midday drink.
Weekend. It is the weekend. We're not like.
Yeah. This isn't crazy times, crazy talk, or crazy town.
Oh, good job.
Thanks. Created here in the House of Sugar.
Sugar house.
Have a good one, y'all.